Good job.
Really good sleep watching.
Is it? Good movement.
I'm not going back down.
No. So last night, Gage was able to get the backing off closest to the desk, and today he has been working on getting the backing off on this side. So he's got all the backing completely off, and now he's working on putting a door right here for the kitty cats so that they can go in. We got some framing and some chicken wire and a lock so that we can keep them in there, but they can still see out and feel like they're gonna be okay. Once Gage is done doing the door, I have already ordered tons of pillows and some crib sheets to go over the brown. So the brown is gonna be white, and then we got some white, tan, gray, and black pillows coming in. Can you show them that?
And we got some
Chalk markers. Can you see? Can you see the chalk markers on my window? It's hard to see because of the lighting. So yeah, once Gage finishes the kitty door, we're gonna go ahead and update y'all with that. So we'll be right back. Alright, so far Gage has done the framework for this side of the dinette. So all he's got to do is get the 1x4 frame for the little kitty door that he's building. And I obviously have to paint around. I'm going to paint everything white except the tabletop. I'm just going to put a nice clear coat on it. And Gage went outside real quick to grab the doors to the table, or the legs to the table, so that we can play around with it. We got all the backing off today, so it looks a lot nicer, not as dark. I can't wait to get all the pillows and the sheets in.
I am using super glue and wood glue together to join a couple of 1x whatever size pieces these are, because I do not have my Craig jig,
handy dandy
Craig jig, so I don't want to go buy another one either, so I'm just going to combine these two because I saw a little trick online, so I'm going to try it out.
And this is day 2 of working on the dinette,
Day
right?
2 on it, so once I put this together, then I'll get the chicken wire. So I'll put that in together and I'll staple it to the back of this, and then I'll put the hinges on, and then we'll do a little door.
Whoa. sit here for a minute?
Yeah.
Get comfortable. Get comfortable.
Shouldn't take that long.
You put a lot of glue on. Alright, do you want me to wipe it with anything?
Try to figure it
Okay.
out. I'll sand it down.
Just lick it. Yeah. You want to watch glue dry? Working on piece number 2.
Wish I had my tools. My workbench.
Yeah.
All my necessities. Clamps.
Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Is it adapt and overcome, right? Alright, tomorrow it is supposed to get down to 18 degrees, possibly 17. Huh? I didn't realize the window was open and you could hear me. Gage is working on wrapping the water spigot so that the water does not freeze and we can continue getting running water. You're doing a great job. We also got a heated hose so that our hose doesn't freeze. It said we might get 10 inches of snow, but I highly doubt that, but we'll see. Go girl! Oh! Get back up! Get back up! She's doing her squats while Daddy does his shoulder presses. Go girl! Whoa! Alright, we also went the extra mile and got some little tiny heated fans that Isabel's playing with. So that while we're sleeping, the boys can have a fan blowing them. And then we also got an extra one down here. And then also, we got extra fruits and veggies so that we don't have to worry about going to the store for the next few days. Our fridge, it doesn't look that stocked. Maybe it is. So it's all stocked. We got extra almond milk. We got some extra fruits and veggies down here. Down here. So we should be good for the next few days, hopefully. And our pantry is really stocked. Go for it. Alright, we got the gloves on. So he's got a double layer of pants on.
Oh my god!
Oh my gosh, it's so bright. This is so cold! Oh, I can see my breath just with the door being open. So we have the RV set to like 67, I think, so the furnace will kick on then. But last night, it wasn't too bad. I wasn't cold. In fact, we got a little warm because we all slept in our socks and pants, and you can see it's so bright, but the window is like frozen. There you go. Yeah. Oh, it's not frozen anymore. Yeah, I'm gonna wipe the windows real quick, and then we'll video some more and see how much snow we end up actually getting. So we'll be right back. What are you building? Oh my gosh, your face is so red, Gideon.
Ooh, that's bright. Good morning, everybody. It is our second day in the RV while it's snowing. And there I was, sleeping peacefully in my bed. And my wife wakes me up. She's like, hey, I think the furnace hasn't turned on in a while. You should go check it. I was like, man, propane's probably out. And sure enough, I went outside, propane's out. So I had to go get some more. And I did. And it's freezing. We woke up and it was like 40 degrees inside RV. So now I'm gonna hook these bad boys up and turn the furnace on and get everybody warm inside. Alright, fine. Got the propane bottles back on. So now I'm gonna hook it up, make sure it all works and the furnace works. It's all good now. Propane's on, and so now I'm gonna get this thing started and seal. Oh hey.
Oh, hey.
My truck's like a whole different color right now. Yeah, it's like ice. It's because it's completely ice.
Oh, yeah.
It was like literally a different color. What? Knocked you out.